Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this January the 12th, 2026. I'm hoping everybody had agreed Monday out there so far, but it's a great Monday evening. Everybody continue to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the satellite system here with the storm system moving across the country. Take a look at your local forecast also. Take a look at the current watch and warning advisory map. Also, we got to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook to see if there's any severe weather. Right now, it don't look like it, but we'll show you that anyway. And also, we got to take a look at the Columbia, South Carolina .1 possibility of a little bit of snow, possibly proportion of South Carolina and North Carolina. And we'll show you that at the end of the video. So stick around, make sure you subscribe if you have not already, like these videos, share these videos, and make sure you hit that subscribe button also to keep up to date with my local forecast. Alright, we got a storm system here moving into the northwestern U.S. in the Washington, Oregon state, stretching toward Montana, over toward the Dakotas, also Minnesota, down toward Kansas and Nebraska. Also got a little clipper system here moving across Missouri over toward Illinois, Indiana. Got another system here moving across Texas, and that will continue to move across the southeast of the subtropical jet, beginning to get a little more active in this region. The northern tropical jet is also moving in that direction also. Right now pretty quiet across the southeastern U.S., southwestern U.S. as well. Alrighty, so let's move on to your local forecast, and it should roll out something like this here. And we're going to take a look at your Tuesday forecast coming up here in just a few minutes, but here we go. Okay, you can see we got mixed precipitation in New Brunswick, to Maine, to portions of Connecticut, New York State. Over toward Pennsylvania, West Virginia, also Michigan, Lake Erie, Lake Superior, over toward Wisconsin, also in the portion of Minnesota through the Dakotas. Got pockets of mixed precipitation also in portions of South Dakota, Wyoming, Montana, northern Idaho, and also Washington State. Got some shower activity across southwestern Canada. More shower activity from Montana to Colorado to South Dakota to Nebraska, also to Kansas, Texas, southern Texas, Louisiana to Georgia, then Arkansas all the way to Ohio, portion of Pennsylvania. Got some thunderstorms and showers for the east coast of Florida, and the central Florida down toward the Florida Keys. Got some freezing rain up here in portion of northern Wisconsin through Michigan, Lake Erie, Lake Superior, and also southeast Canada areas as well. Alrighty, otherwise, fake dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Tuesday. Alright, let's move on to your Wednesday outlook now. And it should roll out something like this here. Okay, you can see we got some mixed precipitation over here in northwestern Washington State, southwestern Canada. More mixed precipitation also and freezing rain over South Canada, stretching down into North Dakota, Minnesota, and also got more mixed precipitation across Lake Erie and Lake Superior, northern Wisconsin to Michigan, to all the way down to Tennessee, northern Alabama, northern Georgia, western North Carolina, all the way up toward Maine, New Brunswick, New York State, Ottawa, and Toronto, Canada regions as well. Got a little bit of shower activity in portion of Wyoming down to Colorado, Arkansas to Mississippi to Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina. Got a little bit of shower activity there as well. Thunderstorms and showers stretching from the Outer Banks of North Carolina all the way down toward the east coast of Florida, Florida Keys, Big Bend area of Florida, down toward west coast of Florida as well, a little bit in toward the Panhandle areas as well. Otherwise, take dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Wednesday. Alright, let's roll on into your current watch and warning advisory map for your location across the nation, and it should roll out something like this here. Okay, you can see we got some winter weather advisories up here for a portion of New York State, also with more northern Michigan, Wisconsin, and Minnesota. Freeze warnings and frost advisories over southern Georgia and also northern Florida. Still got the river flood warning for southeast Louisiana and also areas of southern Mississippi. Wind advisories in South Dakota. High wind warnings up here in Montana. Flood watches in effect for northern areas of Washington State, Northern California, southwestern Oregon State. Got some freezing fog advisory. We've got some air quality alert for southern areas of Washington State, much of Oregon, and portion of Idaho as well. Small craft advisory gale warning from Maine all the way down to New York City. Also the out 20 nautical mile, a little bit along the east coast of Florida, Central California, Washington State, around the Hawaiian Chain Island with flood watches there. A little bit around the Alaska region with some freeze and spray warnings in the blue, storm warnings in the purple. We got some blizzard warnings to the north and some winter, and also we have some winter weather advisory, cold weather warnings, and cold weather advisories for central Alaska areas as well. Alright, Storm Prediction Center outlook should roll out something like this here. No thunderstorm forecasted for your day 3 and day 2. I just picked day 3, but nothing for day 2 or 3. Alrighty, now this is only a map from the National Weather Service office in Columbia, South Carolina. This is for South Carolina only, and also ports of Georgia and southern North Carolina. Not a big chance of any measurable precipitation, about 0.1 or less of snowfall. Well, 0.1 or snowfall or more. You can see we got about 4% over toward Florence, Bennettsville 4%, 3% in Lancaster, 4% in Spartanburg to Greenville, Newberry, 2% in Greenwood, 2% down toward Sumter, 1% down toward King Street. You can see in North Carolina got a little bit higher chance of 8%, but the most highest percent looks to be in areas of Franklin, North Carolina, about 77% chance of good chance of snow seeing there. This area here probably going to change over the next 12 to 24 hours, so would not get too caught up on the percentages here across this area. So just wanted to give you a heads up on it. But I just wanted to show everybody in South Carolina there could be a few snow flurries possible for your Thursday, but we'll continue to monitor that and see if anything happens. But right now it's a very, very slim chance, about less than 5% at this time, and I'm expecting them numbers probably be cleared out before probably by tomorrow. Probably them numbers probably be disappeared by then, so probably won't be no snowfall at all or any flurry activity. But cannot rule out a snow flurry or two possible on your Wednesday night and Thursday. Just want to give you that heads up. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. Have a wonderful Monday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.